In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit labels in Jira. Labels are a really simple but powerful way to organize your issues, filter your work, and quickly find related tasks later. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open an issue, view its labels, change them, and then apply that same approach to another issue, so you can repeat the process confidently on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira workspace and you're in your Kanban project view. On the All Work page, you should see a list of issues in your project. From here, start by clicking on one of the issues in the list. This opens the Issue Details panel, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. Once the issue is open, look over to the section where the fields like Assignee, Status, and Priority appear. In that group of fields, find the one labeled Labels. Go ahead and click directly on the Labels field. This will switch it into edit mode and open a small input box where you can manage the labels attached to this issue. If there are existing labels you no longer need, you can remove them right here. Usually, you'll see an X or a small remove icon next to each label. Click on that highlight next to any label you want to drop. Don't worry, this only removes the label from this specific issue. It doesn't delete the label from Jira entirely. Now let's add or change a label. Click back into the Labels input box. Start typing the name of the label you want to use. As you type, Jira will suggest matching labels that already exist in your project. If you see the one you want, click on that suggestion to select it. If you're creating a completely new label, finish typing the name and then select the new label option that appears in the dropdown. This will create the label and add it to the issue at the same time. When you're done adjusting the labels, click outside the field or use the small confirm icon if you see one. If there's a cancel option visible and you don't want to keep your changes, click cancel instead to revert. To repeat this on another issue, simply return to your issue list. Click on a different issue to open its details, find the labels field again, and follow the same pattern. Click to edit, remove anything you don't need, type to search or create a label, select it, and then confirm your changes. That's all there is to it. Once you get used to this flow, updating labels in Jira becomes a quick part of keeping your board clean, searchable, and easy to work with.